Now Socks is cleaning Roger. Oh, look at him. Oh, Roger's cleaning him back. Oh, now they're snuggling together. Look at that. Gay. They're gay together. They're both boys. Roger and Socks. Oh, let's go into some more looking. They should have a gay marriage. I could be the priest guy. I've always kind of wanted to be a priest. Fuck, he's going at it, bro. Look at that. Licking the shit out of his head. If we stop him. No Socks. Like, fuck you, look at. Oh, come here, Roger. Let me clean you. It's payback. Oh, there. Oh, look at that. Now he's gonna clean Roger's head. Aww. Now they're gonna cuddle together and go to sleep. Oop, he's not finished yet. He's satisfied. Nice. Aww. Well, that was kind of cute. Night night.